Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night. It's me, Joba, just simply Joba. And before we continue, I'm just gonna say that I'm not gonna edit this video. It's because of the last debacle that happened, and I am really running behind schedule. And I have this part one and this part two. And the last time, I really made the Discord server know, or at least some monsters or whoever in the Shogi manga server that I am really annoyed, and I make sure that they know that since what happened last time, it's because I will just let you watch the video part one, but I am just really annoyed right now, and I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna talk and be be fluent right now and try to be like I am on a live stream or something, and and I'm gonna run a stream in the background. It's by Slowpoke lang, Twitch TV for it's just joke Slowpoke lang, and you can follow me on my own Twitch too. It's Twitch.tv for it's just 19, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, watch more of my other videos, and please please support me, please. And my birthday is coming up on April 19th, so that's good. And here we have the cover. I have this saved in my phone, the Shogi Club, and it's happening. So I'm still here talking. The beginning of the high school to be called front page, and at school with no senpai, and I always lonely really, as mentioned in the previous chapters. Uh, Next chapter, the transparent one. So I'm kind of bothered about the English translation. The English translation is when will Ayumu make his move, which is kind of like I'm kind of not 100% in it with the title, but I'm more used to it, even so I wish that is still coming or something like that. But let's just check. And when you think of a school trip, when you think of Nara, thank God it is not the German ritual this time. It's gotta be the Great Buddha statue, or I'm just gonna voice it so it's not gonna be boring. Wow, it's so huge! Oh, she's just a bit small. It would be huge to literally anybody. This is Venus Gate Peter Hall. Who I wanna try? What is that technically? Just a little bit more. Are you alright? She give me a yay, blessing of fame. Oh, so can someone explain that in the comments? I almost got stuck and had to put boots on the very first day. That's stretching a little bit. No, seriously, those stages may just stuck in there. uh, Maki is like the only one with size that I know of, except for the adults. And on the Yamamoto universe, but there are some adults on the Yamamoto universe have small chest size. And what are you implying? Are you trying to brag? Come on, Urushi, you're next. So that's the therapy, so service surgery, so depressing. What are you saying? You came all the way to it, you know, besides. Small is cute. True. Urushi number one. The one that I simp for. I still kind of simp for Luan now from the Loud House. I used to for Pearl, but it's not anymore really. But more Luan, kind of still in Luan. Small is super cute. She said it twice, and I would say it twice. Yeah, I agree. You are cute. It's fine when she's small and cute from this girl. Fine, alright. Nah, small and cute, what is Mario saying? Don't you know it wasn't something good with us. And it was super good. I knew it. It's chapter 78, or 78, I guess. It's one of the first videos that I made. Wait. 78 or 79? Let me check YouTube right now. I'm guessing it's 78. Let me check my file. Uh, it is chapter. Wait. It is chapter. Wait, what? Wait. Okay, excuse me. It's 79. I remember 78 now. Chapter 78 is on Facebook. 78 is the first one that I've done, but I've put it on Facebook on January 19, I guess. But I'm gonna. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on YouTube someday, but that video is kind of horrible, and unlike now, what I'm doing now, I'm currently better. I honestly am better, and I need money. But they're saying the same thing for someone it's not from you. Why want the guys to trust it? It's love, or at least affection, something infatuation. More than infatuation, I guess like something. Honestly, I wonder why. Ah, it's really obvious to her. To her, we should add someone to get more blessing. Okay, can someone really explain what's this? I'm not really into learning Japanese culture right now, but even though I watch more anime now, I still insist that I would learn French or Spanish because of a few reasons. French is because of Miraculous Ladybug. I'm gonna admit that, and it's not really that embarrassing. Apparently, the best thing is to give a head to head education. So as good to ever get this really the best one. Yeah, yeah. I'm curious about what the good vision like is or what will happen in good vision because in Tonikao Kawaii, I honestly think that they could make it with 200 chapters or more, but they kind of end Tonikao Kawaii, not the whole series, but they're gonna continue with this new series named Fly Me to the Moon, but Tonikao Kawaii will end with chapter 148, and I'm still gonna do that next. I'm gonna do Tonikao Kawaii next after this video, but then I'm behind schedule and I would rather end, even though so the one who wants to take away is my priority, but I think I can manage not editing this video, and I'm gonna make thumbnails, and but I need to really finish Talaga Hawaii. It's been on hold for so long. So it's make the best one, of course. For this and I wonder if I be lonely, but since it's going to be I wonder if I'm sorry for lonely. I already is, especially with that invitation on the last chapter. I know, but I know, forget what can happen now. Honestly, as soon as I said that we should make this video, I could to never forget the other wrong. I just also really to bring back. Oh, really? Honestly, that's it. Alright, got it. Then how about we change up our plans a bit for tomorrow and look for a nice spot for you to vacation have? Yeah. Well, leave it just to me. Just leave it to me, Maki Agi. It's a pun. It's a pun. No nas? No na? No na? Na? No nothing? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it as one. The long distance relationship is being put to the test. Ah, wait. The long distance relationship is being put to the test over the next 4 days. Oh yeah, we know this one. Yeah, this proper one. I wonder if we listen to Junior this later or something to finally give him a good. Yeah, I'm kind of reluctant yet about the English title, but the true fans will still call it Soredemo Ayumu Wasnt. And I don't think it's the same as like the We Never Learn series, where it's where in the original manga before the anime, I guess it is we call Weekend Study, think I think I like We Never Learn more than Weekend Study, but I think it is not the same. It will be not the same case with Soredemo Ayumu or so why support. Yeah, support. And my thoughts. It's just I'm irritated with the Rickroll. So without further ado, I'm just gonna say goodbye and edit here. Edikan Hawaii chapter 148. This is the one that I will be doing next. So see you all in the next video. Peace and God bless you all.